Hey, it's me, Zay for Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. Now, is it possible to turn this lot into a computer? To a desktop computer? I don't know. Let's have a look. Okay. Let us start with a monitor. Okay, we're going to mount this right there. So we have a monitor. And let's plug it in, make sure it works. Well, that works. Okay. So now, we have a computer. We have a Raspberry Pi with a camera attached that we probably won't be using. Okay, so what we need now is some power to the Pi. Oh, we also need to connect the Pi. So we've got, that looks like a monitor cable, which should connect to the Pi. If I could find the, somewhere here, aha, we have a connection. So, things are looking up. They really are. So, we have a, let's connect the power to the Pi. Oh my. And why has the screen gone blank? There we go. Oh, and we also have a mouse. So we can move the mouse about the place like that. And we have a keyboard, which is connected just like that. So we are now going to open the web browser. And what will happen when we open the web browser? Will we get an embarrassing website turning up? No, unfortunately not. So we're going to look up a website. So we're going to look up Amazon.com. Hit enter. And we wait. Because we have no Wi-Fi signal here. And we will connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay. And we'll let's see if we can connect to Amazon. Oh, I still have no Wi-Fi. I do not know why. Yes. But we do have, let's see. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay. We know the password is in. Or maybe I need to re-enter the password. Nope. It's working. So let's try. Try again. And it's lost the Wi-Fi again. That's the problem with being inside of oh, we've got there. Amazon.com. Oh, it looks like it's loading. Amazon.com, and there we have it. Indeed, we have Wi-Fi. We have a desktop. and we can even, it's Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, and we can browse the web. We can do lots of software things like writer, math, drawing, calculator, database. We can do some programming if we want. So let me move you a little closer so that you can actually see the screen. There we go. So where else shall we go? Let us go to I don't know, CNN? That's a fairly neutral website. And it's slow because, as I said, I don't have great Wi-Fi in here. I'm in a converted bus and the metal is blocking the Wi-Fi, which is really, really annoying, but I have just proved this makes a darn good desktop. You can't play games on, well, you can play games, but not the kind of games you're thinking of. You're not going to play all these fantastic graphics games, but you can play text-based games. And okay, so you've now seen that this Pi 3B, and let me show you the Pi 3B. It's in a little case. That's a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, and it works really well. And that is, of course, is an infrared camera that I'm not going to use for this video. But you can see we're getting the websites coming up really nicely. I'm quite happy with this.